Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Piet Nutby, and in this video tutorial I would like to explain how our photo gallery works, how you can make new albums and upload new images. As you can see, a totally empty photo gallery. To add images, you use yourdomain.ca, and of course here you fill in your own domain /gadmin, and then you get a login screen where you have to fill in your given username and password. I will use mine, and I click on sign in. I'm not going to remember that. It's totally empty. The first thing I will do is I need albums. Albums are the main feature. Under albums you can upload your pictures. I don't have an album, as you see written there too. You don't have any albums. To create an album, I can simply type the title of my album there, and of course you want to use names that invite people to look at them, and I click on create. It has now added the album, and automatically after adding an album it will lead me to add content, and in this case content would be pictures that you can upload. So I could click browse here, which I will do, and then I get a screen leading to my own computer. So you have to make sure that your images you want to upload are on your computer. And I can select either one image, or I can select all three images at the same time, and I click on open. You can see it lists the images here. You can add certain tags to images, and the last step is clicking on the upload button. As you can see, it has uploaded the images. I can now see my images right here, and when I select a certain image I can edit an image or deactivate or activate an image. I can rotate images, I can give images extra tags, and of course I can delete images. We now have created an album and we have uploaded the images. So what happens if I now go to my photo gallery page? There is still nothing. What is very important is when you create an album, as you can see here, the album by default will be inactive. So you have to activate your album. That's fairly easy. It's in the last column under actions. It's kind of a switch, and I just click the switch to activate, and when I then refresh my page you can see that I have my test album right here, and when I click on it I have sample picture 1, sample picture 2 and sample picture 3. Should I want to upload more pictures in my album, I can go into this album by clicking on it and then click on upload, and I get the same elements. Browse for the content and then choose the content that is on my hard drive. I will go back. This is a bit empty. So what we can do for the certain album, I'll click on test album, is we can have a little album preview, and I can click on edit, and I can either select a separate album image or I can select an existing image. I will choose the existing image. I can give an album a description. And at the bottom I will save that. Album has been updated. And when I refresh my page you can see it now has a little thumbnail picture, and not only the title but also the album description. And let's see what happens if we go and create a second album, click on create. I do the same again right there. I'll click on upload. I want to give my album a little preview image. This I will take the green one. And once again, what is very important, when I'm in the album, I can also see that my status here is inactive, so I can click it on active and click on save. When I now refresh my page, you will see I have 2 albums. Again, test album 2 is missing the description. And you can do that right here, sorry. And at the bottom, click on save. When I refresh my page, it has the extra description. And this is a way how that you can fill it up with albums. Of course, you don't have to always make new albums. You can put hundreds of pictures in just one album. That's a choice for you to make. So hopefully you're able to fill your photo album or photo gallery as you please. Thank you for watching.